So basically, these are the 4 stages which have to be taken into account when we think of long-term digital preservation. And this is what I mean by the ecosystem. You know, we need to create an ecosystem. We cannot create an ecosystem for all kinds of collections, all kinds of archivals in India. Maybe we may not afford to do that, but we can have, as you are saying, a pilot project. So in that pilot project, we need to really account for all these things, so that, you know, we are able to see that see it happening through all the stages, and we can take it through and see it growing. The second thing, which is the loop-shaped life cycle model, which I feel we are in a way going through with these 3 museums. This is actually, I have simply developed it on top of the Barry Boehm's spiral model that he has proposed for software development. So this is a loop shaped. What I feel is that you have some amount of support to digitize, integrate, archive, you know, maybe for a period of 3 years, 4 years. A project is generally planned like that. So beyond that, there is no support available. So that is the time when the museum should be able to sustain itself based on the value-added services, the content that they can provide to the potential consumers and the users. So that's going to give them the second life, new lease of life, because that is the time when they can actually do the risk analysis, they can do the technical course correction in case the technology has changed, in case the preservation has certain threats, and they are able to migrate, re-digitize, or maybe convert the data into different formats, whatever that needs to be done. They can take care of that, and then they have the second life for maybe another 3 years. So this unfolds in a repeated fashion like this. So sustenance is very, very critical, especially during the period when they have to do this migration and conversion. So we need to organize or design the funding patterns also in such a way. We need to plan our projects in such a way that it accounts for this iterative and loop-shaped activity. We will be redoing it again and again with certain periodicity. So that's if we understand this particular characteristic of digital preservation, then I feel it has a chance of sustaining for longer duration. So in summary, the Indian government should plan for creation of proper ecosystem, and along with long-term commitment to sustain the entire life cycle of long-term digital preservation. Short-term plan with short-term commitments will never lead to long-term digital preservation. Thank you.
Thank you.